All right. So, hi, Faisal. Welcome to the chat show today. And this chat show is to, get to know the speakers who are joining us in our fifth digital marketing, advertising, and technology conference, which is happening in Singapore on 15th of April. So today we have Faisal Khan. He's an IT director with ALNASSR FC company. And if I talk about his expertise and background, he's a senior technology executive and Harvard certified IT leader with over 22 years of experience in digital transformation, IT strategy, cybersecurity, machine learning, and data analytics. And we'll get a chance to hear more about him through this chat show. So if I go further, I would like to, welcome him as he's also joining us as a speaker on the topic for the panel discussion, hyper-personalization at scale, leveraging AI and automation for deeper customer connections. During the conference, that is fifth Digital Marketing, Advertising and Technology Conference happening in Singapore on 15th of April. So, hi Faisal, welcome to the chat show. So, Faisal, just to start with, can you just please give us brief introduction about yourself and your field of expertise for the audience?
Hi, Mitali. First of all, thank you. And it's an honor to work with DigitalConfex. And I'm very much excited for this speaker. So myself, Faisal, I'm working as an director of IT in Nassr Club Company. And it's a football organization, which is top eighth club in the world. And I'm basically working more on digital transformation and AI and machine learning. So these kind of things that I'm working on, and I'm very much excited.
Good to know about you, Faisal, and good to have you as one of our speaker in this wonderful topic that will be taking place in the conference. So, how much excited you are about this conference?
So I'm very much excited. This conference is going to create a lot of networking with other industry peers. And as I see, some of them are from different industries. And it is good time to do the networking. And thanks for Digital Conference to arrange this kind of event and the conference.
Pleasure. So if I move further, I have few questions for you today, and they are very interesting and very closer to your heart too. So the first question is that what is the role of AI and automation in hyper personalization if we wanted to discuss at scale?
Yeah, so AI and automation is creating very crucial role, and like AI, machine learning, and natural language processing, deep learning, all this creating a crucial role in hyper personalization. And this will enable a lot of deep analysis of the customer behavior and analytics.
Mhm.
It also
Absolutely.
enable the business to operate more efficiently and leading to the cost saving and increase the productivity as well.
That's nice. And if I talk about that, what is the difference between the traditional personalization and the hyper personalization?
Yeah, traditional personalization actually everyone is working on nowadays, where there is no hyper personalization is available, where traditional is similar like the old way that we were doing it, which is when the customer comes, we talk to the customer, we are sending the SMSs, and it's having a manual process basically. This is called a traditional personalization. Whether now with this hyper personalization, it is totally different scale. So hyper
All right.
personalization, we are deeply goes to the customer behavior, what they are doing it. So I
Correct.
will give you an example of hyper personalization. So hyper personalization, like if you compare with traditional and hyper personalization, so for example, as a traditional personalization, I will go and provide a discount code to the customer, and they will use the customer discount code and do the job. Whether in hyper personalization, it is totally different. It is not going to send a discount code. It is going to check what customer is looking of, whether he's looking of any straight product. If we are talking about the merchandise, he's looking for a trouser or a shirt. So we provide the discount code only for that thing. so that he will be very happy, more than happy, that yes, we are directly communicate, because he needs to buy a t-shirt, or he needs to buy a trouser. So he will get the discount code for that, so that he can utilize it in a well manner. And we knows what he's looking of, which kind of trouser he's looking of, which model he's looking of. So we directly showcase to them, we advertise to them that yes, there is a discount code is available for you for basically this product. So this is how
Okay.
this hyper personalization is working on, with if you compare with traditional personalization. Traditional personalization is basically nowadays an old concept, which will not grow your business a lot. If you want to grow your business, you have to go deep analysis of customer behavior. Even in hyper
Exactly.
personalization, what we are doing is we are going to check in a store, if any customer arrive, where is spending more time, in which
Okay.
section. So we are
Maximum footfalls.
communicating with the, yeah, with the
Yeah.
end user.
Okay. Okay. So it's quite interesting, to know about the hyper personalization. I think it will be quite, trending nowadays if we like in the coming times, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's highly trending. Yeah. So
Okay, okay.
this is the future of, this is the basically the AI is trending, and hyper personalization is closely connected with that.
That's great. That's great. So, if I talk about, AI only, that is how, how you have an understanding on AI, that how it is transforming the content creation and marketing automation. Do any idea on that?
Yes, so AI is greatly transforming everything, all the customer areas, not in even in the hyper personalization. The same thing that goes on the football business and fan engagement, everything is through AI, because we are deeply communicating with the end user, what they are doing, which social media they are going on, and what kind of page they are liking, what activity they are doing. We are deeply getting all the data, and then
Okay.
we customize it and do analyze it, and based on that analytic, we are doing the giving the hyper personalization.
Okay, okay. For example, in a single day, for example, it's a weekend and many people are coming into the store. So, like in
Mm.
a certain point of a time, there are so many footfalls that you are not, how you're able to track everyone's behavior and how you able to, provide them that kind of a hyper personalization. Like, you can just give me some elaboration on that.
Yeah. So, for example, if we have a lot of channels to, it's a big topic. So
Yeah.
let me make it shorter. So, for example, we have GPS Wi-Fi, where it shows which kind of the people are coming. We have a lot of things. So first thing is, let's say, mm, the footfall. First, we are going to record the footfall, which place the lot of footfall is going on, through our many channels, through the footfall tools, which is Wi-Fi tool or other
Mhm.
tools, and we see that this place people are going too much. So there we
Okay.
are displaying more advertisement, more customer engagement, and that's how we are going to build up our repository. And based on this, we are going to attract the consumer.
All right. Any specific thing, about this topic, if you would like to conclude in one single line, what would be?
Yeah, so I just want to say that hyper personalization is the next generation future, and the AI is creating a big part on this hyper personalization.
All right. Thank you so much, Faisal, for a very, invaluable insight on this particular topic. And I'm sure, the speakers with the immense experience will be joining up in this session. They will be having much more to share. And
Sure,
that will be, a great, insightful discussion that will be going to happen in the conference. There's
sure,
a quick rapid fire for you from our
sure.
side, and, it will be like a few minutes. So I just wanted to ask a few questions for you, which you can, able to give it in a just a single answer, single word answer. So,
Sure.
what is the, the one golden rule of marketing that will never fail?
So one golden rule of marketing, which is customer engagement, is more important. Yeah.
Okay. And if we wanted to predict the future, what will be the marketing look like in 2030?
Yeah, so it's complete AI based. Whatever you think from any kind of thing, like from merchandise point of view or non-merchandise point of view, it will be in your fingertip. So whatever we think, it is available. Whatever the discount that we are thinking of, it will be available. So we are what AI is doing to connect the customer with different categories, and that's how this
Absolutely.
comes under
All right. And one last question that if you had one marketing superpower, so what would it be?
AI.
All right.
Great.
Okay. So thanks, Faisal. It was, great connecting with you today, and we are very thrilled to have you, for this particular conference that is Fifth Digital Marketing Advertising Technology Conference, which is presented by DATWare in association with Ascendant Group Branding, powered by DigitalConfex. So before, we stop this recording, any words for our participants who will be joining up in this conference?
So I'm obliged and I'm very thankful that all the peers of different industries are joining, and thanks to Digital Confex. And it's an honor, and I'm very much excited for this event.
All right, same here. So great and good to know about this. And thanks for your time today, Faisal, and to all participants. So don't miss a session happening on 5th Digital Marketing Advertising Technology Conference on 15th April in Singapore, powered by Digital Conference. So get great chance to connect with him in person, and also happy networking to you at that point of a time, Faisal. See you
Yeah.
soon,
Great.
Faisal.
Thank you.
Thank you.